Hello everybody, this is Frikes. Recently I've been wanting a fire for a furnace in a blacksmith house, hut, whatever. Um, and I made that. I couldn't find any tutorials on it, and I made a thing myself, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. You're only gonna need, 2 items. Only 2 items are necessary. One will be called fire source, and it can stay like that. But it's just going to be like that. And the other one's going to be a fire particle. Now, I've already made that, because it does take a little bit more time. This is the shape it's in, so you have like the little sparkle effect. I don't know what to call it. This is the size of the frame, action point, and hotspot are in the middle. Hotspot doesn't matter much, but that's all you need. Oh, and this will progressively get more red. So let's get to the programming. So always, oh, and one more thing, again, it's going to have 3 values: transparency, scale, and ID. So this is going to be, here you can set semi-transparency. If you don't have if this doesn't look like this for you, then you will have to change it so it does. Or it's a different command, I don't know what it is, if it isn't. Then retrieve data from an object, values A through M, and retrieve transparency. And you're also going to do that with scale. So set scale, retrieve data from an object, and values, scale. Okay. Now we're going to do stuff with fast loops. So you're going to start up 2 times. You're going to start transparency 5 times. Yeah, 5 times. And you're going to start extinguish 100 times. Now every 0.2 seconds you're going to start spark 1 time, and every half second you're going to start loop scale 1 time. Now you're going to do lots of on loop stuff. On loop spark. This is a little complicated, so I have this prepared here. They're going to create a spark 0, 0 from the fire source to -4 and +4. -8, +8, -12, +12, and -16, +16. And this is for smoke, which I'm not going to do. So that's going to look like that. Not much. Okay, on loop, up, you're going to position y coordinates at the y coordinate to your position to your y coordinate -1. Then on loop, transparency, you're going to add 3 to transparency. And on extinguish, you're gonna spread value in 1 in ID, so each particle is going to get a different value with like 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, depending on its order. Then once again on extinguish, when compare one of the alterable values when ID is equal to the loop index of extinguish, and transparency is greater or equal to 128. You're going to destroy. Now in transparency, I'll do transparency when transparency equals 0. I'm not sure if I recall that this works. But I'll do it anyway. And flag 0. Yeah, I don't think this works. Otherwise, I would notice it. Yeah, don't do that. On loop scale. And scale is greater than 0. You're going to alterable values, subtract random 3, which is, it'll choose 0, 1, or 2, divide that by 10, and it'll divide it by 10, so it'll be a fairly small amount. And one last thing, every 5 milliseconds, angle angle plus random 4. I think that's it. There you go. No, it's not some. Oh, yes. This needs to be semi-transparent. Let me figure out what's wrong. The only thing I could think of is that this event that I said was not necessary is necessary. So, when transparency equals 0, and when flag 0 is off, set transparency to random 64 times -1, and set flag 0 on. That should work. No, okay, let me figure it out again. Okay, clearly I can't spell. I just spelled transparency wrong here. That's all. So if you like this video, you can leave a like. If you want to see more of this kind of thing, you can subscribe, and if you didn't like the video, please leave a comment explaining why, so I can improve for next time. Thanks for watching.